The generous farmer and the greedy neighbor. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a kind-hearted farmer named Raj. Every year, after harvesting his crops, Raj would gather the excess grain and share it with his neighbors, ensuring that everyone had enough to eat, especially those who were less fortunate. One such neighbor, Mr. Gupta, was very wealthy but also very greedy. He never shared anything with anyone and always sought to take more than his fair share. One year, after a particularly good harvest, Raj decided to share his abundance with all his neighbors, including Mr. Gupta. He brought a large sack of grains to Mr. Gupta's house. "I brought some extra grain for you," Raj said, "in case you need it this winter." Mr. Gupta, looking at the sack, thought to himself, "I don't need this. I have more than enough. But maybe I can take advantage of his kindness." So, he said to Raj, "Thank you, but I don't need your grain. Instead, I would like to buy it from you. How about a fair price?" Raj was surprised but agreed, "All right, I'll sell it to you for a fair price." Mr. Gupta then gave Raj a small amount of money in exchange for the grains, far less than what they were worth. Raj didn't complain, he was content with his decision to help. Months passed, and winter arrived. Raj, who had shared with others and used his resources wisely, had enough to keep his family comfortable through the cold months. On the other hand, Mr. Gupta, who had hoarded his wealth and taken advantage of Raj's generosity, began to face shortages. His crops had not been as successful, and his resources were dwindling. He soon found himself hungry and cold. One evening, desperate, Mr. Gupta went to Raj's house. "Raj, I need your help," he said. "I've run out of food, and the winter has been harsh. Can you help me?" Raj smiled gently and said, "I have enough to share, as always. But remember, my friend, that generosity has its own rewards. Helping others is more than just giving, it brings peace of mind and warmth of heart." From that day forward, Mr. Gupta understood the true value of kindness and generosity. He learned that greed would only lead to emptiness, while giving would fill his life with meaning. The villagers saw how Mr. Gupta had changed and started to admire Raj not only for his generosity but for the wisdom he shared with others. And so, Raj continued to help his neighbors, and the village became a place of mutual care and support, where everyone shared in both prosperity and adversity. Moral of the story: generosity and kindness always return to you in ways you never expect. Greed may seem rewarding in the short term, but it leads to emptiness.